There's no clean way to segment retargeting by industry, persona, site behavior, and source, and then to keep that audience identical across channels. Primer helps centralize retargeting. You can define the audience once. For example, companies that have visited one of our high intent pages like pricing, sign up, and demo request, and then layer on departments, seniorities, job titles, as well as information from your CRM and from CSVs. Push that exact same audience to each of your ad accounts. One audience, one definition. To do this is really straightforward. You click to create an audience and you add criteria. You select the website filter, and within here you can choose forms, you can choose page visited, refer, visit date, UTM parameters. So I could hone in on companies that have come from my Facebook campaigns and turn that into a retargeting audience on YouTube where I hit them with further down the funnel messaging. What makes this even more powerful is that this isn't just limited to companies, it also connects to contacts. Within the United States, we de-anonymize website visitors at the contact level. There's a few different plays you can think about running. Not all website visitors are worth the same amount. You might want to skip low quality traffic in your retargeting campaigns. You might want to focus your retargeting on companies that are in certain industries, or maybe you want to create different retargeting campaigns for different personas. If you sell HR software and IT software, you should build two different audiences. One for the people that are visiting your website that work in IT, and another for people that are visiting your website that work in HR. And then your retargeting campaigns can have much more segmented messaging. What this allows you to do is advertise to visitors with highly specific content based on their role and the content they consumed. This is where retargeting gets smarter. The same audience syncs unchanged to every channel. No rebuilding, no audience shift. You can open it in every respective ad manager and plug it into your ad sets. Reveal doesn't just work from a retargeting standpoint. It also works from a measurement standpoint. In the overview, you can view which individuals are visiting your website, which audiences they're coming from. You can see their activity history, and you can filter by different UTM sources and referrers. In addition, you can toggle on our conversion lift analysis, where built-in holdout groups help you understand if advertising to this retargeting audience is actually creating a lift, or if these people were going to convert anyway, regardless of your advertising. Conversion lift reserves a holdout group within your audience that will not see your ads and compares the conversion rate of that control group to an exposed population. This is causal analysis that truly lets you know if your advertising is creating an impact, which is frankly hard to say sometimes in retargeting campaigns. Retargeting shouldn't change just because the channel does. Primer lets you build one smart retargeting audience and use it everywhere.